Attention all desk workers. Do you sit for 8, 10, 12 hours a day, and does your back ache by the end of the day? I'm Dr. Deepti Jain, and today I'm going to show you exactly how sitting at a desk is wrecking your spine, why most posture advice fails, and 3 changes that you can make today to help your spine and start feeling better. When you're sitting, several bad things are happening at once. Number 1, your muscles go into lazy mode. Your core, your glutes, deep back muscles, these should be supporting the spine. Number 2, poor blood flow and tissue stiffness. Sitting for long periods of time decreases circulation in the low back, the hips, causing stiffness, weakness, and even risk of nerve irritation. Number 3, postural change over time. Rounded shoulders, forward head position, increased lumbar lordosis, or the opposite, flattening, can be very uncomfortable and lead not just to desk job soreness. So you've probably heard advice like sit up straight, pull your shoulders back, get an ergonomic chair. That's good, but here's why it doesn't solve the problem long term. 1, posture is only part of the equation. You may have the perfect chair, but if you never move, your body's going to get stiff. 2, because many people still slump or lean, especially when tired. Without cues or support, humans revert to their habitual posture. And 3, because most people ignore breaks in recovery. Stretches, standing, walking, micro movements, these are more powerful than just sit up straight. And 4, because people don't address strength and flexibility. A weak core, tight hip flexors, stiff glutes, weak back extensors, all of these mean that your body cannot maintain good back posture without effort. So here are 3 highly effective changes that you can make today that put those small additions back into your life and dramatically reduce back pain. So number 1, improve your chair and desk setup. So you want your monitor to be eye level so that your desk stays neutral. Keep in mind 90-90. So keep your keyboard close so that the elbows stay at 90 degrees. A lot of people might want to use a separate computer, a separate laptop screen, as well as a separate keyboard. You could also consider like an ergonomic pillow. And then you also want to make sure that your hips are at 90 and your knees are at 90. Number 2, build movement into every hour. Set a timer so that you stand up and you walk every 60 minutes. Walk, stretch, take just a few steps, which can really be helpful. Even micro breaks, scapular squeezes, hip flexor stretches, extension against the backrest. These are all interventions that can potentially help reduce your back pain. Finally, strengthen and stretch. This is an intervention that you make off the desk. Core and glute activation with dead bugs or bridges, hip flexor stretches, hamstring stretches, thoracic mobility, consider foam rollers or a towel behind your upper back, and chest opening. Clasp your hands behind your back and use some gentle shoulder retraction. These simple interventions might not take more than 10 minutes a day, but consistency is what protects your spine long term. So if you're working at a desk, you are at increased risk for spine problems, but keep in mind you're not doomed. These fixes can be really helpful in maintaining a long-lasting spine. So pick one of these things and go home and do it today and use it in your workday today. If you found any of these tips helpful, hit subscribe and keep sharing.